That loud growl your stomach makes in a quiet room has an actual name: borborygmi. And here's the embarrassing truth. It's usually not even about being hungry. Your intestines are always moving, squeezing food, liquid, and gas along in slow waves. This never stops, even when you're empty. When there's food inside, all that mush muffles the sound. But when your stomach is empty, it turns into a hollow echo chamber. There's nothing to absorb the noise of gas and fluid sloshing around, so every gurgle gets amplified like a drum. Your body also cranks up these contractions when you're empty, sweeping out leftovers and signaling that it's time to eat. So that growl isn't really hunger talking. It's just your very loud, very empty plumbing. Follow for more gross body facts.